Once there was a small bird who lived in peaceful forest. One day, while trying to fly to a higher branch, it fell and broke its wing. The bird felt scared and helpless because it could no longer fly. Other birds saw this and laughed at it, saying it would never soar in the sky again. But the little bird did not give up. Every day, despite the pain, it practiced moving its wings little by little. At first, it could barely lift them, and it felt tired quickly. But the bird kept reminding itself of the joy of flying and never lost hope. Slowly, with patience and courage, its wings grew stronger. The bird learned to be patient with itself and to keep trying, even when the journey seemed long and difficult. After weeks of efforts, one bright morning, the little bird spread its wings with determination and lifted off the ground. It soared high above the trees, feeling the freedom of the sky once again. The same birds who laughed now watched in admiration and respect. The little bird had learned a valuable lesson. No matter how unfair life may seem, persistence, courage, and patience can heal any wound. Even when you fall, you can rise again, stronger than before. Life may test you, but if you keep trying, your wings will grow and you will soar higher than ever.